if you're having trouble with the Amazon regain access to your account on hold, this issue, this message everyone rests. So this isn't just a glitch. Amazon AI has now detected something, usually a billing address mismatched or a login for a high-risk IP address. So you don't have to panic and don't open a new account. First, we wanted to know what exactly is going on in here. This will get you permanently banned. So I'm going to show you the document upload fixed and the billing department bypassed. So the first and most important thing to focus on is into the upload of the documents. You want to try logged in first. So you should see a button that says upload documents or verify identity if you try to sign in directly into Amazon.com. In my case, it actually let me get started here with identify yourself, sign in. Usually, if you have this section that says regain access to an account on hold, you want to first of all make sure that you check your email or any text messages for an account on hold notification from Amazon. If you see that notification, you wanted to go straight directly into Amazon.com. Make sure that the Gmail or the email that you received it's not from elsewhere rather than just Amazon.com. If you see that this actually comes from another account that is not Amazon or another website that is not Amazon.com, this might be phishing or phishing, and the reason why this appears a lot is because they might having, for example, spam and they wanted to get your information. So to make this process really secure, you wanted to do this manually. Open any tab, go for Amazon.com, inside here sign in, and if you still have the hold of your account, then what you wanted to do is to complete the form and include some necessarily attachments. Usually Amazon needs proof your own payment method. Take a photo of the most recent billing statement. You must hide all the bottom of the last 4 digits of the card number for security. It might be asking you for your name, the address on the document on your Amazon account exactly, and if it doesn't, your appeal will be rejected by the AI instantly. So make sure you have the right information directly here into Amazon. The next step is the billing department. If the portal isn't working, you needed to call Don't Ask for general support so they can help you. They wanted to ask for the account specialist team or elsewhere, for example, the billing verification department. They are the only one capable to help you with these specific situations. So when you have done this process, you will receive an email or a text message from a few instructions into pending orders where your account is on hold. So Amazon wanted to make sure that you didn't make the latest, in this case, orders, or you make something that might be appearing a little bit suspicious a lot. So your access from Amazon services, for example, Prime, Music, Alexa, the Ring, the Kindle, all of this will be on hold until your account is now working correctly. Now it might be telling that the fastest way to unlock your account is to submit the request details yourself through our security sign-in portal. So I wanted to make sure to tell you guys that you wanted to request to be let's say to get help from a customer service and to contact us and try to request a call back, because the calls backs are the most efficient, fastest and easy way to solve these specific problems. Now the opf@amazon.com email, if you haven't heard back into 24 hours, you wanted to send an email directly from the O and go for continue. So this is the most effective way to get human to review your case. Once they review it, you will receive an email telling your account has been reinstated, and this usually takes up 48 hours to regain that access. So to prepare this from happening again, to prevent this, you wanted to turn on the 2-step verification, and you might be good to go. Also avoid using VPNs when they're shopping into Amazon, because their system sees a certain location jump into another country as a hacking attempt. So make sure that you check out that information. So uploading your documentations, call the specialist and be patient. You'll get a notification right away. If your account was locked because of a gift card issue, check out the specialist video for a link below from the Amazon articles. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.